Welcome back, hackers. Today, we're diving deep into the thrilling world of bug bounty hunting. Have you ever wondered how security researchers hunt for vulnerabilities in major software and websites? Buckle up and get ready to explore the secrets of bug bounty hunting in our quest to hack the matrix. To begin our journey, let's understand what bug bounty hunting is all about. Bug bounty programs are initiatives offered by organizations to reward ethical hackers for discovering and reporting security vulnerabilities in their systems. It's a win-win situation where researchers get recognition and financial incentives, while organizations enhance their security. Let's start with the basics of bug bounty hunting. The first step is reconnaissance. Security researchers employ various techniques, such as vulnerability scanning and open-source intelligence gathering, to identify potential targets and gather information about the systems they'll be testing. Once researchers have identified a target, they move on to the next phase, web application testing. This involves conducting in-depth assessments of websites and web applications to uncover vulnerabilities, such as cross-site scripting, XSS, SQL injection, or server misconfigurations. In addition to web application testing, researchers also explore network security. They analyze network infrastructure, perform port scanning, and probe for weaknesses like insecure protocols, misconfigured firewalls, or weak access controls. This comprehensive approach helps ensure no stone is left unturned. Bug bounty hunting isn't limited to web applications and networks. Mobile applications are also prime targets. Researchers conduct thorough assessments of mobile apps to find security flaws such as insecure data storage, improper session handling, or unauthorized access to sensitive information. In our quest to push boundaries, some researchers even venture into hardware hacking. They analyze the security of devices like IoT gadgets, smart locks, or even industrial control systems. It's a fascinating and challenging domain where creative thinking and technical expertise converge. Once researchers discover vulnerabilities, the next crucial step is responsible disclosure. Ethical hackers follow a responsible and coordinated process to report their findings to the organization, allowing them time to fix the issues before disclosing them publicly. This collaborative approach ensures security is strengthened without endangering users. Now, let's talk about rewards. Bug bounty programs offer a range of incentives based on the severity and impact of the vulnerabilities discovered. Rewards can vary from recognition on a Hall of Fame, swag, monetary rewards, or even invitations to exclusive security conferences. It's a thrilling journey with exciting rewards along the way. Bug bounty hunting is not just an individual pursuit. It's a vibrant community of passionate researchers who share knowledge, tools, and experiences. Online platforms, forums, and social media channels provide avenues for collaboration, mentorship, and networking with fellow bug hunters. Bug bounty hunting is a never-ending learning process. Researchers must constantly stay updated on the latest attack techniques, security trends, and emerging technologies. Continuous learning and honing of skills are essential to stay ahead in the dynamic world of cybersecurity. That concludes our thrilling adventure into the world of bug bounty hunting. We've explored the basics of reconnaissance, web application testing, network security, mobile app assessments, hardware hacking, responsible disclosure, rewards, and the vibrant bug bounty community. Remember, ethical hacking requires a strong sense of responsibility, curiosity, and continuous learning. So, gear up, join the bug bounty community, and embark on your own quest to hack the matrix.